Good morning, students. So I am here with class 7 maths, that is exercise lesson number 2, that is fractions. The first exercise, that is 2.1. Question number 2, arrange the following: 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 7 by 10 in descending order. So whenever we are getting any number in fraction and we are asked to arrange in ascending order or descending order, then the first thing we'll have to do is we'll have to find the LCM of the denominators, and then we'll have to calculate that. So let us, in this first question, 1 by 5, 3 by 7, 7 by 10, first let us find the LCM of these denominators, that is 5, 7 and 10. Here 5 1 times, 7 2. So 5 into 1, that is 5, 5 into 7, that is 35, 35 into 2, that is 70. So LCM is 70, that is 5 into 1 5, 5 into 7, that is 35, 35 into 2, that is 70. Next we'll pick 1 by 1 fraction, that is 1 by 5. We'll multiply this 5 how many times to get 70, that is the denominator, the LCM that we got, that is 1 by 5 into denominator must be 70, that is the LCM that we got, 70. So 5 how many times will multiply to get 70? So let us divide this 5 1 times, that is 5, 2, 0, 4 times, that is 14 times. So 5 into 14, that is 70. Same number we are going to multiply here also, that is 14. 1 into 14, that is 14. Same will go for the next one also, that is 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7 into the number that we are going to multiply that must reach 70 to the denominator, that is 10. 7 into 10, that is 70. So we are going to multiply the same in the numerator also, that is 10. So 3 into 10, that is 30. Next one, it is 7 by 10. Same way we will do it. 7 by 10, the denominator must be 70. So 10 into 7 is 70. Same 7 we are going to multiply here. That is 7 into 7, that is 49. Now, since all the denominators are same, we can easily say which one is greater, which one is smaller, and we can arrange in ascending or descending. So let us arrange these numbers in descending order. So here descending means big to small number. So here big, which one it is the biggest one, that is 49 by 7. So 49 by 7, it is 7 by 10. Next one, it is 30 by 70, that is 3 by 7. 3 by 7, and the last one, it is 14 by 70. Not 14 by 70. 14 by 70, that is 1 by 5. So in this way we are going to arrange a fractions into descending order. Same goes to the ascending order also. First we will find the LCM, then we will multiply the denominator with the LCM, that with the number that the denominator becomes the same. So 5 into 14 is equal to 70. First we will find all the results like that by making the denominator same. Next we are going to arrange the number in ascending order. If we are going asked to arrange in ascending order, then we will go with the small number. Here, if the same number, if we arrange in ascending order, then first will come 1 by 5, 3 by 7, Next 7 by 10. Same way we are going to do. The pattern is for doing that also it is same. So ascending order and descending order, question number 2, it is all about that only. So let's go to the next one. So here we are going to do number 3, that is write 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 11. Equivalent fractions, that means the number that is given here, we are going to multiply it with the next numbers, that is 2, 3, 4, and we are going to find the equivalent fractions of 3 by 11. For example, that is 1 by 2. Write 3 equivalent fractions of 1 by 2. If it is asked then 1 by 2, first we will multiply it by 2 because 1 it is already here. So we are going to go with the next one, that is 2. So 2 by 4. In the same way we will go multiply it by 3 and then we will go with the 4 and we are going to find 3 equivalent fractions of that number. Same way we are going to find this one, 3 by 11. Here first one it is given here already. So we are going to go with the next one, that is 2. That is 3 into 2. If we are multiplying here 2, same we will multiply with the denominator also. That is 2. So 3 2s are 6, 11 into 2, that is 22. Next 3 by 11 is equal to 2 done. So next we will go for 3. That is 3 into 3, 11 into 3. 3 into 3, that is 9, 11 into 3, that is 33. 2 we have gone, we have done, and now we are asked 4, so we'll go for the next one again. 3 into 4, 11 into 4. 4 3s are 12, 11 into 4, 44. Next 4 done, 5. 3 into 5, that is 15. 11 into 5, that is 55. So the 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 11 are, first one it is 6 by 22. 6 by 22. Next one it is 9 by 33. Next 12 by 44. Next that is 15 by 55. So in this way we will solve for equivalent fractions. So here next number 4, D 7 5 by 6 minus 3 2 by 3 plus 1 4 by 5. Here we are asked to evaluate. Evaluate means same as simplify. So here it is given a mixed fraction. So first we are going to convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions and then we are going to solve it. So first let us convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How we are going to convert? 7 into 6 plus 5. That is 7 into 6 plus 5 divided by 6. Next 3 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3 plus 1 into 5 plus 4 divided by 5. Now 7 into 6, that is 42 plus 5, that is 47 divided by 6 minus 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11 divided by 3 plus 1 into 5, that is 5 plus 4, that is 9 by 5. Next, now we have converted this into improper fraction. Now we will solve it. When there is plus or minus between a fraction, we are going to solve it by finding out the LCM. So here 6, 3 and 5 we will find out the LCM. 6, 3 and 5. 3, 2s are 1 times 5. 3 2s are 6 into 1, 6 into 5, that is 30. So the LCM is 30. So we'll take the first fraction and we'll multiply it with the LCM that we got. That is 47 by 6 into 30. Next one, minus 11 by 3 into 30 plus 9 by 5 into 30. So 6 and 30 we can cut it. 6 5s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6s are 30. Now we'll multiply this. (47) into 5 minus 11 into 10 plus 9 into 6. 47 into 5. 7 5s are 35. 3 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23. 235. 235 minus 11 into 10, that is 110, plus 9 into 6, that is 54. Here 235 has a positive sign and 54 has a positive sign. So we will add that two and then we'll subtract it by 110. So 235 plus 54. 4 plus 5, 9. 3 plus 5, 8. 2. 289 minus 110 divided by 30. 289 minus 110. 9 minus 0, that is 9. 8 minus 1, that is 7. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So we got 179 by 30. So this is your answer.